Hello everyone, I am Himanshi Malik, currently pursuing Diploma in Computer Science and Engineering from GGP Jhansi. I recently joined the summer training program at DigiCoders Lucknow. To talk about my experience, I got to explore myself at various fields of front-end and back-end development. The teachers here are quite supportive, especially Himanshi sir and Udval sir, who has helped me at every stage of my back-end and front-end development, and especially with my project. They even provide the students with the recovery sessions in case the student missed out his or her session due to some ill health or any other reason. The other feature includes the Sunday special class, which helps in student other development, for example, apart from the academics, like personality development, web hosting, etc. Divyanshu sir, being the best mentor, has helped me at every stage of my journey, and I'm really thankful to him and all the other teachers. At last, I would like to end up by recommending my juniors to definitely give a chance to DigiCoders Lucknow and start their journey in upskilling themselves. Thank you.